What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you this accommodation, apartment, whatever you want to call it, that I got for around $400 for the month. So let's check it out. Yeah, because of the lighting in here, the quality seems a bit weird, but so starting off, I'm just sitting here on this sofa. They give you a sofa, that's very kind of them, isn't it? TV, you got your air conditioning, which is very important, and table, not much going on here. You have a kitchen area, my glasses, and you can see right now that it is raining. Can you see it very well? Maybe not so clearly, but yeah, it's raining pretty heavily. Yeah, you get a table here, my key, and that's how you will get in your door, only with this. And also to get into like the gym and into your building also, you need that. So that's pretty much the main room right here. Your bedroom is over there. Kitchen, you get a fridge and freezer which has been open this whole time, and I don't even know, well, I haven't used it and I don't think I'll even use it, but anyway, all I have is water in here, as every day I get food delivered or I go somewhere to eat, so it's much cheaper than even making it yourself. I feel it saves you a lot of time. So moving on to the bedroom, I have a few things of mine just lying around as I arrived only yesterday. You have another air conditioning unit right here which is on at the moment, and trust me, you will need it. I will say that. Okay, there is also a safe right here, and it's great, works fine. They're very easy to use, and we have a little look out of this view where I'm at. On the top floor you have a swimming pool over here, and just your general resort area outside, and the entrance is down this side, I believe. Yeah, it is. I'm still getting my bearings, but okay. Now moving on to just the light here, to the bathroom. You have a shower when you walk in on this side. Got a toilet area. A few things I've put here. Sink, pretty standard. Not too much going on. That's basically it. And I think even that just sums up the place. There isn't too much else. They give you like a chopping board. What do we have in here? Random cups, bowls, dishes, and here there's a few things you get for cooking, which I doubt I'll be using much of. I've used one spoon actually. I need to clean that. Yeah, so it's raining a lot at the moment, as you know, it's a rainy season, so it's a time when less people come because of that reason. And I would probably spend most of my time in this room, as it's the most comfortable and air conditioned. And yeah, you see a few other things. You have an ironing board. Okay, also the lighting's better in this room than the other one, but of course you have a light if you want to. And right, even as I'm making this video, I ordered food because there is no point me cooking something. Even the supermarket is not that much cheaper than ordering, which is pretty crazy. And then if you take into account the electric you would use and a few other things like that, which brings me to the next point, that is not included in the price. I paid around £298 I think for this place for 1 month, and you have to pay for electricity separately, so that's like, I saw another $40 to $50 people say around average. But if I always have this air conditioning on, who knows, and I will be charging my computer, my phone, and all these things a lot. Anything else I'll be using? I guess in the bathroom too, those things. But apart from that, not too much else, so I think it would be around another $40 or $50 you can expect to pay. Okay, so thank you for checking it out. Just a short video. If you are interested, I will leave the address, the details of this accommodation, and I think all of the apartments or condos in here are very similar. One thing they don't have, which you should keep in mind, is a washing machine or something to wash your things. So if you don't want to manually wash your clothes in a sink and dry them somewhere, something like that, you need to go to the washing machine. They have a washer and dryer service. There are two of them outside of this area on the road, just a 2-3 minute walk away, so you can go to those and wash and dry your things for a very cheap price also.